Welcome to our tutorial on how to send one-time viewed media on WhatsApp. In this updated guide, we will show you the steps to easily share photos or videos that can only be viewed once by the recipient. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once you're in the app, start a chat with the person or group you want to send the media to. Next, select the media you want to send. Tap the camera icon within the chat and choose the photo or video you want to share. You can either take a new photo, video, or select one from your gallery. Before sending the media, you'll need to enable the View Once feature. To do this, tap the icon displaying 1 in the text box. This will set the media as View Once, so that the recipient can only view it once. Finally, tap the Send button to share the View Once photo or video with your contact or group. Once the recipient has viewed the media, it will disappear from the chat, ensuring that it can only be seen once. And that's all there is to it. Sending one-time viewed media on WhatsApp is a great way to share sensitive or temporary information with your contacts. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy messaging!